Hello everyone. Welcome to Fish Keeping Guide. In today's video, I will show you some time-lapse footage of feeding my blood red parrotfish. These parrotfish are the first pair that I added to my tank. Both of them were small in size, roughly around 1.5 inches in length. You might be thinking, such a big tank for 2 parrotfish? Well, before adding the parrotfish to the tank, I performed fishless cycling on my 140-gallon tank. To boost up the nitrogen cycle process, I used filter media from an old established aquarium to my 50-gallon sump. I wasn't sure if the nitrogen cycle was completed as I didn't have a test kit back then. That was the only reason I added only 2 parrotfish to my tank. So, nothing bad happened, and I added another 3 pairs a week later. Now comes the time-lapse video of feeding my parrotfish for the first time. Parrotfish are really very shy fish at the beginning. They tend to hide a lot when people are around. So I secretly filmed this video without disturbing them. Now, 16 months later, they aren't shy anymore, and also have reached their full size. They come to greet me and plays with me when I clean up their home. Here comes the time-lapse footage of my parrotfish eating their pellets today.